open eye, feel the waves cut through.
Hi my beauties and welcome back to my channel. So recently I did discovered a beautiful photograph of Sonam Kapoor in which she was sporting a grey colored sari and she paired it off with a grey color shawl as well. Now, as I've mentioned earlier, as always, that I am just gonna try to mimic the style that she went ahead with, not the material or the color combination. So I hope you all will enjoy today's video, and if you people do, then please don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe, and without wasting any time, let's get started. So you want to go ahead and start off with a basic drape, that is tucking your sari all around your body for once in a single circle. Now I did observe that her blouse was even quite similar, but it was just of the same color, but still it was like both closed neck and transparent from top and all stuff like that. So it was quite like I tried to create as many similarities as I was possibly capable of doing. So now finding the fancy end of the sari, that is the pallu end of the sari, and I'm just going ahead and roughly pleating it and bringing it all around my body in an anti-clockwise direction from my right hand towards my left hand side, and just placing it onto my left shoulder. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab the entire loop, and then I'm going to go ahead and just find the actual edge which I want to tuck underneath my navel, and I'll be using a safety pin to just make sure that fabric doesn't move forward or backward. This just ensures that your waist is looking a little bit slimmer than what it normally is. That's what you want to always try to make sure, that you're looking leaner. It's like quite a necessary step if you want to look leaner in your saris. Now going ahead towards my right hand side of the fabric, and I'm just going to go ahead and create a scissor out of my fingers, and I'm going to plait the entire section of the sari. Now this is quite a huge sari, so I have to go ahead and create way too many pleats. But usually 7 to 8 pleats are more than enough if you want to go ahead with a sari and you want to become comfortable with it. I'm just going to go ahead and create the pleats, and once I am done with them, I'm just going to grab them with the help of my left hand underneath from where I want them to be inserted inside the petticoat, and I'm going to place the entire sari underneath my navel, like right underneath my navel. If you want the actual flare of the sari to look pretty, go ahead and tuck it underneath the navel, and then I'm gonna go ahead and work with the pallu section, as you guys are gonna see me doing right over here. I'm just gonna extend it. Now she was having a seedha pallu thing with the sari, and the shawl was draped as if it was like an ulta pallu placed over left shoulder. So I'm just going to go ahead and create some pleats, and then I'm going to go ahead and pin them in place. I'm going to pin the pleats together, and before pinning them, of course, I'll have to gather them at or underneath. So I'm doing the same. From where I want them to fall on my shoulder, I'm just grabbing them, and then I'm going to go ahead and grab a safety pin and just pin the pleats in place. I'm not just gonna pleat it onto my shoulder with the help of the blouse. I'm just gonna pin them like that only and leave them, because my blouse is of net, so I am not gonna go ahead and pin it. Now I've left the fabric out of the way, the pleats of the pallu section out of the way, and I'm just gonna take a shawl, and you can create whatever combination you want, because it's just she was wearing grey. You can go ahead with whatever combination you like. I find red and black combination really well, so I have pinned my shawl underneath my pleats, and then I'm gonna bring it from my right towards my left hand, from my left towards my right hand side, and then I'm gonna grab it and bring it towards my left hand shoulder, as I'm gonna show you guys over here. Now this shawl is not like a way too huge sort of a shawl, so I have to work with whatever I have in hand at the moment, but that's how it looked, and that's how she is having her shawl draped all around her. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pin the shawl in place, and that was the reason why I pinned my shawl in place, was that it was moving all around. I didn't wanted both the sides to look moving all around myself, so I just went ahead and pinned my shawl. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab the pallu of the sari. You want the pallu of the sari to come over the shawl, not under the shawl. That's why I left the sari out of place, because I wanted it to be above the shawl. Now I'm going to place the pallu where I want it to be placed, that is on my right hand shoulder. And that's pretty much it, you guys. I hope you all have enjoyed today's video, and if you people did, then please don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, just stay blessed. Bye.